Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Muhammad and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get 3 months free of HeyGen account. You can subscribe to HeyGen for free with 2000 credits. Don't skip any part of the video so you avoid any mistakes guys, okay? So let's get started. First of all, you need to search for HeyGen and click on the first result. I will just change the language to English US and click on get started for free. Click on use email, or you can log in with your Gmail. I will be using email. Now go to your inbox and copy the link and open it so you can activate your account. Paste it right here in the same page. Wait for page to load. Now here's a part. You must choose this one and choose the 2000 credits option. And make sure you disable this yearly option. Keep it on monthly like this. So the price now is $99 per month. Now click on choose Pro. And wait for the load. The Stripe payment gateway will open. Now here is the trick. You must click on add promotion code and we have to change the letters or numbers after the letter T. Okay, so we can change the last 4 digits or numbers. Okay, you must keep trying until you get a working code. Okay, so you can change these 4 numbers or digits. For me here, I will keep trying with you guys until I find a successful code. As you can see here, we got a working one. You just click on submit and you can pay with Bybit card or any card. For me here, I will just ensure my details and get back to you. You can use guys Bybit card with $0 money. You can just pay it. It's already $0 or any credit card you have. I will enter my credit card details in front of you, so you guys can check this method is working right now. Now click on subscribe and let's see the magic. Boom, it's activated guys, as you can see. Wait for me, don't pause the video so I can show you. As you can see here, we are on Pro plan with 2000 credits. So that's it guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.